In this video, I will be showing you what Canva font has heart. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking Create a Design and selecting a custom size from my recent list. Once the blank canvas opens, I'll add a text box and type the word Customize. To compare several different options, I'm going to duplicate this text a few times and stack them vertically. For the first word, I'll open the font menu and search for Tan to select Tan Songbird. For the second one, I'll search for Marsh and choose Marshmallow Pop Heart, which features bold letters with heart cutouts. Next, I'll search for Rosita and select the Rosita font for a more stylized look. For the fourth line, I'll search for Heaven and pick Heavenfield, which uses a heart as the dot for the letter I. Finally, I'll search for Sweet and select Sweet Dreams to see another playful option. Now I'll resize and rearrange each word on the page so you can see the unique heart details of each font more clearly. I'm making the Marshmallow Pop Heart larger since it's a fan favorite, followed by Heavenfield and the others. These are some of the best fonts in Canva to give your designs a heartfelt touch.